Hello everybody. In this grammar lesson, we will cover the English prepositions at, in, on. These prepositions are used in a few ways, but in this video, you will learn about using at, in, and on with time. So, in other words, use them to tell when. Use at with a specific time like 1 p.m. Use in with a month, a year, season, or some period of time. Use on with one day or specific days that are not in a group. Let's look at a few examples. First, let's practice at. Use at with a specific time, like the time you see on a clock. So, some examples are, I leave my house at 9 a.m. every day. The class started at 8 a.m. I woke up at noon. Now, let's look at some examples for in. You learn that in is used with months, years, seasons, or some other period of time, like it happened inside that period. So you can say, the project will be finished in September. I was born in 1986. She likes to travel in the winter. He usually exercises in the morning. Finally, let's look at some examples with on. Remember, use on with one day or specific days that are not a group. So some examples are, I exercise on Monday. I exercise on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I was born on January 29th, 1986. She will travel to her home on Christmas. There are some exceptions, but if you remember these rules, then you will be able to use at, in, and on correctly in almost every case. If you're looking for useful English lessons that are 100% free, then go to talkenglish.com. If you are looking for premium lessons to help you improve your English fast, then check out SKESL.com. It is the best way to learn English, even English speaking, without a class or teacher.